You are looking at the top of a document about the seasons of the year, and you can see here that we have spring, and I would like this to be all uppercase. So you simply put the cursor over spring and press the Shift and F3 on the keyboard, and you'll see that the spring will change from just having the first letter capitalized to all of them being capitalized, as you can see. If you press Shift F3 again, you can see that the word goes so everything is lowercase. Pressing again, and you can see that it goes back to spring where the first letter is capitalized. And I'll just keep on clicking Shift and F3, or in fact, I'll hold the Shift down while I click F3, and you can see every time I hit the key, it cycles between each of them in turn.